Samsung's much-anticipated Galaxy S24 series releases in just a few days, but last-minute leaks continue to pour in, and a new rumor shows impressive behind-the-scenes Galaxy S24 Ultra enhancements that help explain Samsung's planned camera hardware modifications. According to an unsubstantiated but authentic-looking retail training paper provided by ex-user Harshit Joshi, the next Samsung flagship camera would outperform the current Galaxy S23 Ultra while capturing zoom images, despite a projected drop in zoom lens spec. Samsung is said to be replacing the S23 Ultra's 10x telephoto camera with a higher resolution, lower magnification 5x version in this year's Galaxy S24 Ultra. This has raised worries about the updated model's capacity to record long-range zoom pictures without sacrificing quality. Nevertheless, in a section titled Space Zoom, the document promises superb zoom quality at all ranges and optical quality zoom in 2x, 3x, 5x, and, most crucially, 10x magnification. The Galaxy S24 Ultra retains Samsung's characteristic long-range space zoom digital zoom function at magnifications up to 100x, implying that the picture quality would not degrade while switching from 10x to 5x optical zoom. According to the report, this is accomplished by using a much higher resolution sensor in the new 5x camera, augmented by improved image processing techniques. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to activate multi-frame processing at all zoom levels, rather than just at 20x and Ultra as is the case with the S23 Ultra. This should result in reduced noise and improved detail across the entire zoom range, which will be aided further by NUA-powered super-resolution algorithms. However, despite these advancements, Samsung will still have a difficult time convincing potential buyers that this perceived downgrade from 10x telephoto to 5x will result in better photos. Everything will be shown during the official Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.